So in this video, we will learn about what is a LLM and how do LLM work and different use cases of LLM. So what is a LLM? So in simple words, LLM is a very smart next word predictor. Now you will ask me that there are already autocompletes and next word predictors existing. Why is LLM special? LLM is special because of two things. One is it uses neural network to predict next word, and it's trained on huge amount of data, billions and billions of parameters, and those neural networks use a new architecture called transformer architecture, which makes it far more better than existing neural network implementations. Let us go in slight detail. Suppose there is a user which sends an input to large language model. Input is a phrase, once upon a time. So when this is given as an input to LLM responds back with the most probable word. In this case, it is there. Once upon a time, there. Then that phrase is given as an input, and it again responds back with next word. Once upon a time, there was, and so on and so forth. And that's how it completes the sentence or the story that you have asked it to complete. So this is what, in simple words, a large language model is doing. It's just predicting the next word. However, as a user, you get an illusion the whole sentence or the paragraph was created, and there is just fast typing. Let us see what are the different types of large language models we have. So most famous one is OpenAI's ChatGPT, and then Anthropic's Claude, and then Google's Gemini, Mistral AI, this is a company from France, and then Grok, and then DeepSeek from China. These are called frontier models. They are state of the art models trained on billions and billions of parameters, and they are very accurate and give you very high quality of results. Then there are a class of models which are open source. Llama is by Meta. It may not be as accurate as the foundation models or the paid models that you see, but it's free. This enables a lot of developers to use it and improve it and build applications on top of it for free. Then there is Gemma by Google, and then there is Quen by Microsoft, DBRX from Databricks, and Falcon. Falcon is a model which is created by UAE government, and it is also considered to be fairly popular. There are also specialized models like FinGPT, which focuses on financial domain. Then there is BioGPT, which is expert in biology related topics. Then there are models which are focusing on law as a domain. And then we have Code Llama, which is built by Meta and specializes in coding related tasks. As we talk, large language models and generative AI is being used in a lot of domains, especially the customer support robot. Generative AI is also being used a lot in media domain to summarize document, to create new content, to make more relevant content. A lot of companies like Meta and Microsoft and Google are claiming that around 30% of their code is being written by AI, which is huge. So as we speak, AI is being used in a lot of spaces. That makes it more important for you to learn and build your skills on generative AI so that you are more relevant in the job market and you can build really good products which will sell. So in next video, we'll build our first AI application. This will not be a very sophisticated application. It will be kind of our first Hello World program that we build for AI using LLMs.